1. Pick out a black dress or all-black outfit. Classic witches are usually seen in long, black dresses, while modern witches could go for ripped black jeans and a black long-sleeve shirt. Pick out your main attire based on what you'll feel comfortable in and what you already have in your closet. 2. Slide on a pair of black stockings to keep your legs warm. Tights or stockings are optional, but they can help you out if the weather is chilly, especially if you're wearing a mini dress. Stick with black tights to complete your all-black theme, and spring for fishnets or patterned tights if you want to make your costume a little fancy. 3. Go with black boots or shoes to complete your look. Classic witches usually wear pointed boots, but you can go with any black shoes you'd like. If you're going for a more modern witch, consider wearing some black sneakers or high tops. If your witch is from the olden days, some black heels could complete your outfit. 4. Pop on a black witch's hat. This is the part of your outfit that people will recognize the most. You can pick up a cheap black witch's hat from a thrift store or costume store to wear on Halloween. 5. Add a cape or a cloak for an impressive entrance. Not every witch wears a cape, but it can add a little more evil elegance to your outfit. Tie a black cape around your neck and watch it drape behind you to make everyone stop and stare when you enter the room.